dangerous part, cable break. Feel your tweeter bit.
Here, come close.
Váyase como lo van jalando, lo van.
There you go.
I don't have Zoom.
Zoom's
Where'd
right
you
here.
stand in front of the cable so it gets you first?
Zoom's on your thumb right
I know, but it's not working. Yeah, dogs wandering around smelling blood. Oh, good. I just put this on YouTube in Costa Rica.
Show a shot of all the people over there.
Okay.
Behind you. Oh, here you go.
Do your tweeters bit. Why you should not rent a car when you go to Costa Rica. You may wind up like this. Oh, he's doing the same thing.
You can pause it now.
Well, how does he get the strobe to stay on?
You can pause it now.
Oh, that's one of those...
Mañana está en YouTube.
Yeah. Take as my God as a soundtrack, put in some voiceover about the guy's wife was giving his driver, some girl was giving his driver a blowjob. Do not engage in oral sex while driving. No, I said, but they said,
That's the record, that's the way it's on. The video.
yeah. Yeah, but we're still going to be another half hour while this guy backs out and hopefully doesn't go off the cliff. No, la policía me dijo, el chofer, su mujer estaba chupando, ya se pasó, ya.
They were having sex.
No, yeah.
They're gonna get this out of here fast.
Yeah, but it's still going to take him a while to turn around. Okay, I think that's the end of the action.
Yep. I gotta get a copy of that. Do some editing.
You want to edit it?
Yeah, I got this crazy program called Cyber Pro.
I like Sony Vegas. I have to pay for it now.